All right, guys, so I'm here on a hardwood clean and buff, and we're gonna apply 2 coats of urethane with satin sheen. We're also gonna do some color correction, and also keep in mind our clients did get a pod to put all their furniture in, so this is something I recommend if we ever do a hardwood service, whether we're clean and buffing, screen and recoat, or sanding. We do recommend you guys do that. So let's take a look. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're gonna clean the buff today. This client found us online about 2 weeks ago, came out, did an estimate, booked on the spot, and got a deposit down, and then we're here today to do the service. Again, this is hand-scraped engineered solid wood floors. You can see solid wood floors there. And you cannot sand these floors. Only thing you can do these floors is, of course, clean and buff it, and then put a top coat of urethane on these floors of satin sheen. That's what we're doing today. This floors are going to respond very well. There's a little color correction we're going to do right there. We're going to fill that in for, as well as in the bathroom area. See that there? We'll fix that too. And then once we put that top coat, it'll make all that look uniform. So, yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. We got about a total of 1,100 square feet. And we got Noma attacking the floors now, as you can see. And that's going to do it. Stay tuned for results. Again, thanks for watching. And we're gonna make it happen. Stay tuned. Color correction complete. Looks good. All right, guys, giving you an update. Right now, we got Noma attacking the floors and cleaning up some paint. That was some residue left over. And then after we're gonna attack the floors, then we're gonna go and clean and buff it to pop the natural sheen of the floors, which is aluminum oxide, as you guys know. And then we did some color correction, as you guys saw before. It turned out amazing. I showed the client and she loved it. Right here, there's some color correction we took care of. That's all gone, as well as the bathroom area. Look at that, guys. And then when we seal the floors with the satin top coat, it's gonna make everything look uniform and add that protection and be so beautiful. And it's gonna hide any imperfections in terms of scratches and so forth and make everything look absolutely stunning and uniform. So that's a little update for you guys. Again, stay tuned for some results, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, we're buffing it out now, popping the natural sheen of these beautiful floors, hand-scraped solid wood, and once we're done, we're ready to put a top coat on. You guys are ready for the holidays. Another thing about this service too, guys, it actually removes all the residue, dirt, debris, because when you mop with your over-the-counter cleaners, it leaves a film. And this also removes that haze and that film. Pop the natural sheen to get it to the original state, guys. This is one of our most requested service, and also our least expensive service. We charge $1.50 a square foot. And then, depending on the state of it, to help it look even, we can apply a top coat of 2 options. You got satin and you got gloss, and that just protects the wood itself, protects the poly, and protects the aluminum oxide, and extends the life of your floors. Typically, we do this service every 2 to 4 years, depending on traffic, and if you have dogs, or kids, or both. And of course, our other pop-up service is screen and recoat. We knock off your protection of your poly and reapply new. And that can only be done if the hardwood is done on site. If it's pre-finished, then you can't do that. You can only get it cleaned above or sanding. Another great thing and feature about both these services is we get you done the same day, and you can walk on it 2 hours after finished. So clients love it. All right, guys, we're gonna finish this up. Stay tuned for some results. All right, guys, update. We already buffed this over here. As you can see, it popped the original sheen. Looks absolutely stunning. And we're finished up this area, but I want to give you guys another tip. This is a maintenance service, so just to maintain your floors, especially your guys' hardwood, whether it's engineered, solid, laminate, you always want to get it clean and buffed to extend the life of it. Because what's going to happen is we're going to preserve the original protection, okay? And it kind of keeps it pristine condition. Kind of like you take care of your car, you want to keep it clean and buffed to protect the clear coat. Well, this is similar to that because there's a clear coat on top of your hardwood. It's either polyurethane or it's either aluminum oxide, which typically on pre-finished floors, which means it's done in the factory, not on site at the home. So that's a little tip of the day. You always want to maintain it by getting it clean and buffed. Or if you notice that it's getting dull or dingy, then it may be time for a screen and recoat. And we provide that service as well. And again, that's just maintenance services, guys. That's before you have to get really heavy into the restoration part of it. The restoration part of it means you need a full sanding. But in terms of maintenance, clean and buff or screen and recoat is like intermediate, is what I recommend. So, all right, guys, little tip of the day. Thanks for watching. One more tip, guys. The benefits of a maintenance service like a clean and buff or a screen and recoat is less invasive, meaning you don't have to move out for a week. You can walk on it immediately 2 hours after we're finished, and then put your stuff back 24 to 48 hours later. So one thing you gotta do is move your stuff out, and then let us do the service, and then you could still stay here at your house. So that is one of the perks and benefits of a maintenance service like a clean and buff or a screen and recoat. All right, guys, hope that added value to you. Thanks for watching. For example, guys, this client here is still here, and they don't have to move out. They can still stay here, and then when I leave, they can walk on it. So we'll probably be here for a few hours. They did move all their stuff into a pod, and they had movers come and do that. And then movers are scheduled to come in a couple of days. I think maybe tomorrow, or no, sorry, the next day to put everything back. But that's it, guys. You don't have to take a vacation. You don't have to go anywhere. You can still stay inside your house, and there's no dust. That's another key feature is you don't create any dust by doing this. Or the screen and recoat, it's all dustless. The only time you get into dust is if we do a full sanding. All right, guys. All right, guys, this is an update. We just got done cleaning and buffing these floors. Look how absolutely gorgeous they look. Natural sheen is restored. And yeah, it's definitely a big difference. And then let me show you guys something. Here's another thing that you look for that you don't see. Let me show you the bottom of this machine. Let me show you this real quick, guys. Check this out. See that? That's all the residue, grime, dirt, and debris that was on these floors that you couldn't see. And of course, they mop and all those kind of things, but this is the embedded dirt that your mop will miss. You get it by cleaning and buffing it with the friction and our oscillating machine. This is a clean and buff. This is why it's important. So that's why we're able to pop the natural sheen of these floors like this to the original state. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's buff this area over here and this area right here. And look at this, guys. Yes, sir. Now we're gonna do this section and this little section, and they're ready to lay our first coat of urethane protection. Thanks for watching. Also, guys, anything big like this or like that, you don't have to move. You can leave it stationary if we do a clean and buff and apply a top coat of protection. Only time you gotta move that if you're doing like a full restoration, but if we're just doing a screen and recoat or a clean and buff, you don't have to move it. So another little tip, guys. This is the last room, and then we're gonna go ahead and start applying the top coat. We're gonna then go grab some lunch, come back about an hour and a half, apply a second coat, and that's gonna do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, guys, got finished up with the clean and buff. We're gonna apply the first top coat now. All the floors responded well. Look at that, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm applying the top coat now. Look at that, guys. That's gonna dry to a satin sheen. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Beautiful. All right, guys, just got back from lunch, and look at this, guys. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Amazing. This is the first coat. We're gonna put the second coat. Here, Noah. Put this over there. Don't drop it. Wow. Yep. Looks good. You guys remember that correction I did right there? That's all gone. All right, guys, that's gonna do it.
Hello?
Hello, what'd you think? You see it?
Yeah.
Go check it out.
I saw it, and I asked my son, I said,
No, go put that over there.
it looks shiny, but it's gonna be shinier, right? Just a little bit?
Yep, this is the first coat.
Okay,
Yep.
first coat. Okay, yeah, he said, no, it doesn't look like it has saran wrap on it anyway.
Yep, so that's the first coat. They
Okay.
took it because, it's thirsty, and they put another coat on there, and that's going to do it.
Okay.
Looks good.
Do you need to?
All right, guys, this is 2 coats of the top coat of Wear Layer Protection Satin Sheen. This is absolutely stunning. The client loves it, and it's still amazing the difference it can make. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have yourself a great day, and see you in the next one.